Hi, I'm Alan Hovis. I'm a real estate broker, contractor, and property and casualty insurance agent here in Florida. We've put this channel together for you to answer your questions about buying and selling real estate here in Florida. If you've got additional questions you haven't found answers yet to, just put them in the comments below and we will get back to you. Or maybe we'll make a show about them. Thank you for watching. When selling a house in Florida, preparing a few key documents can ensure a smooth transaction and help you in the selling process to assure buyers you've been a good steward of the property, kept up on the maintenance and the legalities, and also have services or relationships in place that will help the buyer settle in faster and easier. Here's a comprehensive list of the most important documents you should gather before listing your property for sale. When you purchased the property, you were delivered an owner's title policy. Depending on when you purchased, this may give the new buyers a discount on their title insurance. Have it ready to deliver to the closing agent after you're under contract. The title insurance protects the buyer and the seller against title defects, and by delivering the current policy to the closing agent, it helps them to get started in issuing the new title policy for the buyers. We've talked about the survey in an earlier episode. If you have a current survey, one that shows all new construction since you purchased the property, including additions, new pools, fences, or sheds, have it ready for the transaction. If it's current, you'll be asked to attest that it does show all of these property features. Here again, this is a great help to the buyers and a time saver for all involved in the transaction. Florida law requires sellers to disclose any known material facts about the property, such as structural issues, past repairs, the condition of major systems, past flooding claims. Your real estate agent will require you to complete this disclosure, but if you've never occupied the home, maybe it was an inheritance, you'll just need to disclose that. If you're not using an agent to list with, you'll still need to complete this disclosure. Providing utility bills helps buyers estimate monthly costs for electricity, water, and other services. Have these ready so buyers can calculate if they can reasonably afford the monthly costs for your home. Better to know in the beginning. If your property is part of an HOA, there are a few documents that you'll want to have ready for prospective buyers. You'll need to share the bylaws, the rules, fees, and meeting minutes. This is especially important to buyers who have pets, boats, would like a fence, and a host of other things that the HOA may regulate. If you're using a real estate agent, they will have the latest property tax statements. But if you're selling yourself, you'll want to get this from the county tax collector's website, as the buyers will want to know the annual tax amount and confirm there are no unpaid taxes. If you have a mortgage, you'll need a statement showing the current balance and payoff details for closing. Get a copy of your most recent mortgage statement to the closing agent and they will get this calculated for the closing date. If you can provide reports from previous inspections and receipts for repairs or upgrades, it will demonstrate transparency and may help avoid delays during negotiations. This includes wind mitigations and 4-point inspections. If you've had your home recently appraised, this document can help support your asking price. Collect warranties and manuals for appliances, HVAC systems, roofing, and other major components. Buyers will appreciate having these for future reference. If your home was built before 1978, federal law requires you to provide a lead-based paint disclosure form. Your realtor will help you on this, but again, if you are selling yourself, you are still required to provide this. So download one off the internet or ask your closing agent to get one together for you. If you are selling yourself, consult with a real estate attorney to ensure you have all all the required documents. Keep digital and hard copies organized for easy access during the sales process. And be prepared to provide additional documents if requested by the buyer, the lender, or the title company. By gathering these documents ahead of time, you'll help facilitate a smoother, faster sale and reduce the risk of last-minute issues. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully the content in today's video has helped you answer some questions. If so, please like and subscribe. It helps us keep the channel going and answering all of your questions. Now, I work in the Sarasota-Bradenton market, but we have referrals for agents all over the state of Florida. My contact information is below and in my website, alanhovis.com. And if you are a Florida real estate agent, please contact us if you'd like to be on our referral list. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next video.